Hello, my name is Jade Greer and I'm an associate recruiter at the UBC Sauder Robert H. Lee Graduate School of Business. Are you applying for the Master of Management program for the 2022 intake? This video will tell you whether you are eligible to apply for a GMAT/GRE waiver. To be eligible to apply for a waiver, you must meet one or more of the following requirements. The first requirement is that you have a master's degree with a minimum academic average of B+ or equivalent. A STEM degree or a minimum of 4 quantitative courses is required. You must pass the 4 quantitative courses for them to be considered. The second requirement is a UBC bachelor's or master's degree with a minimum academic average of B+. A STEM degree or a minimum of 4 passed quantitative courses is required. The third requirement is that you have a Level 3 CFA designation and a bachelor's degree with a minimum academic average of B+ or equivalent. CPA certificates will not be considered. The last requirement is that you have a PhD. If you don't meet any of these requirements, you're unfortunately not eligible to apply for a waiver and must write the GMAT or GRE for your application to be considered. Some additional things to note: if you have 2 or more degrees, at least one degree must meet the minimum academic average. LSAT certificates will not be considered, and GMAT/GRE scores older than 5 years will not be considered. If you're unsure whether your GPA meets the minimum requirements, you can use this link for academic equivalency per country. If you meet one or more of the requirements for a waiver listed earlier in the video, here's how you can apply. On your application in the standardized test section, you must indicate that you are taking the GMAT on December 31st, 2022. This lets us know that you're applying for a waiver. Additionally, you must submit a statement of qualification. In 1 page or less, please explain how you are eligible and why you deserve a GMAT/GRE waiver. For example, state that you have a UBC Bachelor of Engineering degree with an A- average, and add any other information that you think is relevant for why you deserve a waiver. International applicants must submit their application and request for a waiver by October 26th, and domestic applicants by January 11th. If you apply after the deadline, you must take the GMAT or GRE and arrange for your official scores to be sent to us. The deadline to submit your test scores is 2 weeks after the final application deadline. Please note that a GMAT/GRE waiver is not guaranteed, as we review each applicant's eligibility on a case-by-case basis. If your waiver is not approved, you will receive a notification that a GMAT or GRE test score will be required for your application to move forward. Have more questions? Contact me at jade.greer@sauder.ubc.ca or use this link to arrange a virtual coffee chat. Good luck on your application. Thank you.